First came coronavirus, then came the face masks, and then came the fog.
It's been a rough patch, man.
I'm Rachel Walla with Ally Safety, and it seems like it doesn't really matter what type of work we do or where we work. It's not long after there's a face mask mandate that problems of fogging glasses start to roll in, which is a serious problem. So throughout the pandemic, my clients and I have tested most of the major ways we found out there to keep glasses from fogging up while we wear face masks. And the unfortunate thing we found is that most of the hacks don't actually work. But the good news is, in today's video, I'm going to give you the 5 methods that we found that actually do work. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So for those of you that are subscribers, you probably remember that back in May, I did a video where we tested out all the major hacks to keep your glasses from fogging up. And what we found was most of them were just not effective. But there were a few that were very effective, and one in particular that made a very big difference. So for my first tip to prevent glasses fog when you're wearing a mask, it's use an anti-fog product. Actually, scratch that. It's use a good anti-fog product. Of the methods I tested before, Spit Anti-Fog, which is actually made for swimmer's goggles, worked so much better than the competition that I eventually stopped the test because it just didn't fog up. So if fogging glasses are a problem for you, I would highly recommend trying Spit Anti-Fog, which is linked below, along with a few of the other products that performed pretty well. The second method is to slide your face mask a little bit further up the bridge of your nose and put your glasses on top of the mask. This incredibly simple move is effective because it keeps the moisture from your exhalations from coming out onto the glasses. Number 3 is to fit the mask to your face. If your mask isn't a surgical mask or an N95, which has a wire to form it to the shape of your face, try implementing your own wire to provide a tighter fit. Take a small paper clip and a strip of medical tape, put them on the inside of your mask, and then put on the mask and mold the wire to your nose. If tip number 3 doesn't work for you, try using a strip of medical tape. The medical tape creates a seal between your nose and your cheeks. This will force the air down and out to the sides, rather than directing it up towards your glasses. Number 5, absorb the moisture. Let's say you tend to have more watery eyes or you sweat more when you work. All of that moisture is going to make it more easy for your glasses to fog up. Try folding a piece of tissue or an absorbent cloth and attaching it to the inside of the mask with medical tape. This will absorb the moisture before it escapes, keeping your glasses cleaner. The one thing I would say is try out a couple of these methods and maybe use one in combination with the others. Start with a glass that comes with an anti-fog coating. Then treat it with your own coating and then use all the other methods in here until you find what actually works. The reason it's important to find something that's actually going to work for you is because with the way the news has looked the last month, we may not be done wearing face masks for a very long time. I hope this video helps you to find some solutions to face mask fog. If it did, please hit that like button. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please hit that subscribe button. Always stay safe and stay healthy out there. Until the next time, I'll see you guys later.